Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I will show you how to make two most important bar mixes like a pro. The first one will be the lime mix, and the second one will be the sweet and sour mix. I hope these premixes will help you to make cocktails like a professional bartender. So let's go and jump in. Take fresh lemon and cut them into half. If you want to extract more juice from the lemon, take them out from the refrigerator, and dip into the normal water for at least half an hour. So take a lemon squeezer and start the job. If you like these recipes, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. If you don't have fresh lemon, use lemon powder. And the best way to prepare a perfect lemon juice using the lemon powder is to add 4 tablespoons of lemon powder into 200 milliliters or 7 ounces of water. You may think that why mixologists use lime mix instead of lemon juice. So the answer is, the lime mix is less sour and can perfectly balance the sweetness of the cocktail. Now I have enough lemon juice for the premixes. So let's start the next job. Today I am preparing approximately 7 ounces or 210 milliliters of lime mix. But you can increase the quantity as per your requirement. Pour 100 milliliters or 3½ ounces of lemon juice. Lemon juice helps to cut the sharpness of the alcohol. So whenever you are using more alcohol, use a little bit more lime mix to balance it. Pour 100 milliliters or 3½ ounces of water. I hope you are enjoying this recipe. And lastly, pour 15 milliliters or ½ ounce of lime cordial. Lime cordial is a lemon-flavored syrup, and used to enhance the flavor and shelf-life of the lime mix. I will be happy if you use this pre-mix in your cocktail, and share your experience with me. Now mix all the ingredients, and your lime mix is ready for use. Next I will show you how to make the best sweet and sour mix like a professional bartender. You can check the description box for the detailed recipe. Pour 2 ounces or 60 milliliters of lemon juice. After that, pour 70 milliliters or 2½ ounces of water. Please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting recipes and mixology tidbits. Pour 30 milliliters or 1 ounce of orange juice. Lastly, pour 40 milliliters or 1½ ounces of simple syrup. If you have any queries or suggestions, please feel free to contact me. I will be happy to hear from you. Now mix all the ingredients, and your sweet and sour mix is ready for use. Now refrigerate these premixes, and use them for the next 2 days. Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon with another exciting recipe. Till then, keep watching.